Hi everyone! Today we are hiking at James Baird State Park. If I say another park in the video, ignore me, but we are at James Baird State Park with some hiking tips and tricks and antics.
Turtle Park.
Yeah, she calls it Turtle Park. In Dutchess County, New York. Ew! I'm trying to do my intro. Anyways, enjoy the video. What are we doing, Noodles? Where are we going? What are we doing? You look like a T-Rex. You do. I forgot my beanie. I am wearing 2 sweaters and 1 t-shirt. I do not like the cold weather. And I forgot my beanie. Hike on, I shall go. Leaves, leaves everywhere. Leaves, leaves, not in my underwear. Anybody ever want to see how fast a fat dog can run? Noodles, come on! Come on! I clocked that at 50 miles per hour. Now to catch that leash. You look like you're walking on a tightrope. Do 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 do. You should go walk across that thing with that. Do 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 do. Step right up. See the girl walk the tightrope in the middle of the woods. Do 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 do. They call her Strawberry Head. It's important to keep parts of your body warm where heat might escape. So in this case, I'm going to use my undershirt. And I feel so much better.
Stop. Here we go.
Better. Now my ears are covered. Much better. See, a little knot. Wish my chest was a little less exposed. But now I can be warmer. Don't want heat escaping from the top of your head. Another hack. Oh yeah. Here's another trick. Don't look at your GPS every 2 minutes. It's not going to change things much. I had waited and waited and waited to check my GPS. I thought, wow, we had gone like 2 miles. And yeah, we've gone 0.7. And also, you gotta watch your footing because of all the leaves. And like I said, I kind of thought we'd gone a lot further, but it's a little disorienting. At least for me personally, hiking in this weather in the fall, because everything looks so drastically different from the rich greens and everything that you see in the spring and summer. And then it will change even more when winter comes. Safe! Muddy buns! We just passed 2 people, and I thought of a new rule that doesn't really have to do with the fall cold weather. But you know how we have to keep 6 feet apart? If you can smell them, you're too close. There's my new rule with social distancing. If you smell the people, good or bad, you are too close and you need more distance. That is disgusting, and that's right on the trail. We do not pee and leave teepee right on the trail. This way, Abs. Oh.
We're not taking any more fun. But no big
My kid is having issues. I'm trying to make an important point about peeing not on the trail or going to the bathroom on the trail. Do 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 do. You do those squats. Anyways, back to the car. Hydration is also extremely important, even in the cold weather. And Abby, you'll see your eye. Doesn't look too bad. She was playing horsey and lassoed herself in the eye. Let's see. Oh, Oh, little puffy. That concludes all your lovely hiking tips.